Good morning, honey.
Morning, Mommy.
Here. Morning, Tita.
Morning, Tita.
How are you?
How are you?
Oh, yes. Wow. Wow, Paris. Oh, my God. See? Hi.
Hi, I'm busy.
Ayan, oh. Apat sila. Alam mo. Now, what's this now?
Crab.
Crab.
Say snap.
Snap, snap. Good morning, friends! Happy Sunday, everyone! It is currently 10 o'clock na, guys, and naalis na kami dito sa aming room kasi it's time to go home. Actually, hindi pa kami uuwi diretso talaga. May pupuntahan pa kami na park for baby Paris. And yeah, so ito yung outfit natin for today. Madilim ba siya, guys? Ayan. So, medyo maginaw siya today, guys. Similar sa weather kahapon. Kaya meron tayong pa-jacket na ganap. And then, baby Paris is here. Nag-dress siya, pero meron siyang nakasapaw na jacket. Good morning, honey!
Morning, Mommy.
Here. Morning, Tita!
Morning, Tita.
How are you?
How are you?
Ayush! How are you? Ayan, so, all our bags are packed and we're ready to go. Ayan kay Daddy Mike. And Daddy Mike is there. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang suot, guys. So, naka-sleeveless siya kasi yung pinak niya ng mga damit is for summer. Is winter pa dito. Winter pa dito sa kanila. Kaya, ayan, giginawin yan talaga yan siya. And Paris wants to go out there. May mga tita siya na nakilala kahapon dyan. Tapos, nandyan sila sa ano, nakaupo sila sa, ang tawag dito? Table sa labas. Kaya gusto ni Paris pumunta doon. I'll just go get her shoes, Daddy, so she can go out. I think the shoes is in the car. Do you want Mama to get your shoes?
Okay, Mommy.
Okay?
Okay.
Yes, please, Mommy.
Yes, please, Mommy.
Okay. Ayan. Oh, wala si Mr. Sun. Diyan namin pinag yung aming car. Here's your shoes, honey. Put the shoes on?
Yes.
Okay. Chocolate. Chocolate for baby Paris. The guy is there next door now cleaning. Wee, there you go. There you go. You don't like it? You don't like it, no? It's caramel. Babe, I'm gonna try it. Mmm. Yummy. Ayaw niya, guys, kasi caramel. Oh. Parang suka nga, guys. Go see Tita. Okay, let's go. Come down, let's go see Tita. Careful.
Bring your yogurt to Tita so she can watch you eat.
There you go.
Bring it to Tita so you can eat with Tita.
Yes, Tita is eating. The Paris should eat too. Good girl.
Come, Mommy.
Come on. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Ito yung ating pa-outfit for today, guys. So, sa ilalim, yung Zara na bodysuit. And then, naka-shorts ako, pero sneakers. Ayan. So, yan lang. O, diba? Gitugnaw ko no ang tutoy, pero giinitan ang Taliban portion. Ayan, umalis na ang ating baby girl.
Come on.
Ayan. Hala, ilalabas na namin itong aming mga bag, guys. Ayan. Para makapaglinis na si Kuya dito. Goodbye, house. It's been really, really nice staying here. Super comfortable ako dito. And Guys, sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike, we should buy something like this. See? Like this and this. Sobrang comfortable talaga ng kanilang mga gamit, guys. Oh my God. Hotel na hotel. Bye! Time check tayo, guys. It's now 11 ng umaga and nandito kami ngayon sa harapan ng shops kasi bibili kami ng coffee for Daddy Mike. I might get hot chocolate for myself too. Pero, nagkape na ako kaninang umaga pag alis namin, guys. So change plan tayo kasi dapat sana yung gagawin namin is pupunta kami doon sa Arthur's Seat Enchanted Garden. How do they call it?
I think that's it.
Enchanted Garden, basta ganun, guys. Sobrang parang outdoor siya na park. Ayan, para kay Baby Paris. Maraming pwedeng gawin na may enjoy ni Baby Paris. However, the weather is not with us today. Hindi sumasang-ayon yung panahon sa plano namin today. Kaya, si Daddy Mike nag-research na lang siya online. Maghahanap na lang kami ng indoor play
Center.
Indoor play center. Ayan, para makapag-enjoy pa rin si Paris, guys. So, that will be in Mornington. So, we'll be, what? On our way home. Yes?
Yeah, 20 kilometers.
Yeah, on our way home. So, doon namin dadalhin si Baby Paris just before her nap time.
We got the things for you, baby.
Huh?
We got for you. Daddy's donuts.
Wow, which one na?
No, this one.
That's a big one, honey. It's a big one. Yay! Good job. Huh? Okay, push that one. Yeah. Wow. Paris. Paris, smile for mommy.
Say beep beep. Beep beep.
Wow, that's a nice car, Paris.
Yeah, good job.
Paris.
Hey.
Move that a bit, please.
Whoa.
We just got here at Planet Kids in Mornington, guys. Ang ating baby girl ay sleeping po. Kanina pa yan siya naghihintay na makapaglaro. She's sleeping na, baby. Alam nyo, guys, itong Planet Kids na to, sobrang nakatago siya ba? Like, kailangan talaga parang sa Bisaya, tuyoonon ba? Kasi mga commercial dyan yan, oh. Commercial, daddy? Commercial? Industrial.
Industrial.
Yeah, industrial.
Industrial.
So, walang mga shops, nothing. Anyways, nandito lang kami para talaga laruin si Paris, guys. Tignan nyo. Oh, we got the socks just in case kailangan masuot ng socks. Come in. Open, daddy, please.
The toy one.
Oh my God.
Bird one.
Come on, let's go.
It's got the car.
It's Park. Walang ibang tao, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Guys, kawawa naman ang ating baby girl. Na-expect talaga siya na pwede na makapaglaro doon ba?
Ito pinito, okay?
Hindi pa pala pwede kasi lilinisin muna nila, i-disinfect muna nila. Pang ano daw, meron silang 9:30 to 11, 11:30 to 1, tapos 1:30 to 3. No? And it's only 1:05. So we have 25 minutes to kill. Nak, they have to clean it man na. She's sad.
Paris. Is it Tito's clean first, okay?
They'll clean it for you. Make sure it's clean for Paris.
That's it.
Yeah, it's dirty. The other kids were playing there before. Okay? Hey, Daddy, this is fat.
No. I didn't.
Daddy, mic natin ayaw matutulog.
Ay. Tama tuloy mo.
Guys, tingnan nyo, pumunta kami kanina ng shop kasi, di ba yung suot ni Daddy Mike, naka-sleeveless siya. Bumili siya nito para hindi siya ginawin. From kay Mike.
You have to wear socks when you're playing.
Sak. Say, quick, Tito. Clean it for me, Tito.
Oye, mami, nandali.
Uy! Are you knocking? Knock. Who's there?
It's Daddy.
Daddy who? Guys, alam niyo, walang tao sa loob ba? Si Paris lang maglalaro ngayon. I'm gonna go in after they clean it, okay? How do you jump, babe? Show them how you jump in there. Show them. Jump. Don't put your hand on the floor now, because it's dirty. How do you jump, babe? Woo! That's how he jumps. She jumps, Daddy.
Huh?
Go, Daddy.
Go, yeah? Do you want Daddy to go?
No, Daddy is back already. Daddy went for a wee. Where is Paris? Where is Paris? Where is Paris?
Oh, there's Mommy. You wanna go inside the spaceship? Down the slide.
Hello! Hello! Oh my god, it's a spaceship! Where are we going? Hala, nabut-but na guys, oh. Where are we going?
I'm going to go in the street.
Oh.
Wow, we're in the spaceship.
Wow, there's a star and moon.
Say, come here, Mommy.
Come on here.
Okay, are you driving? Beep beep. Are you driving? Okay, fasten your seatbelt.
Oh no, Daddy's getting taken away.
Oh no.
They have help.
Hold, Daddy. Help. Ooh.
Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh!
There is strong Paris.
Oh!
I have your hand.
Oh!
Very strong Paris.
Daddy!
Come sit down, Mommy.
Sit down with Mommy, Daddy.
No, we're going.
Where are we going?
We should go to this one, Paris. There's a slide.
Here.
Do you want to come with Daddy on the slide?
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Ayaw ko mag-slide, guys. Takot ako. Daddy's Bam Bam. Are you ready, Paris?
Yeah. Already.
You're ready. You're right. You're right. Doon ako sa baba maghihintay.
Let's go down the slide.
Wow. Careful, Paris.
You want to come with Daddy on the slide?
Sobrang colorful dito, guys.
You want to go with Daddy on the slide?
Come, Paris.
Come, Mommy's here.
I'll wait for you
Let's go,
here.
come.
Andyan sila. Andyan sila, guys. O, dito yun sila lalabas.
Hold on to Daddy. Let's go.
Come on, Paris, Daddy. Very happy. Nap up? Nap.
Mommy. Another one.
Huh?
And this one.
Which one? Which one?
I'm fishing. Out.
That's amazing.
Out to here.
Wow! What happened to Mickey?
Go, Paris.
Wow!
Daddy, do you want to go on the big slide with Daddy?
No.
You go with Daddy.
Go to the big slide na.
Come on the big slide with Daddy. The red and yellow one, look.
Oh, they've got horsey na to. Oh,
Let's go on the red and yellow one.
come.
Come on,
Let's
Daddy.
go.
Come on.
Hold on, Paris. Wow. Wow, Paris. Oh my God. It's so cool. Yeah, of course, of course. Way, Paris. Way. Here na ka. 1, 2.
Alright, watch. Look, ready? Daddy, can you get in? Paris, Dad.
Yay!
Paris, watch Daddy. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ang ating baby girl ay naghahanap ng coins sa ating bag, guys. Kasi, and si Daddy Mike ay nag-order ng chips. Ayan. Huh? Where are you going? Tada, sa masakyanan O di siya nag-check day, guys. Huwag na i-court Ano. Anak. You can put 50 cents in there, anak. You have to put you have to put $2. Oh, $2. Alam mo, daya ba siya, guys? Anak, hurot na gila nga tong kwarta din, anak. Gusto pa niya sumakay doon, guys. So, sa, anong tawag dyan ng spaceship? Oh, look at Daddy. Uy, no adults, ha? No adults, Daddy.
So I can lie down.
Mantay ka karon niya. Wow! Honey, you can jump there, nak. Oh! Have a look. You wait first. Come on, Paris, push. Hi guys! It's now 4 o'clock ng hapon and nandito kami ngayon sa Springvale. So after kanina sa play center, umuwi na kaagad kami and gusto kong gusto kong mag Vietnamese soup talaga. Nung nandun kami sa inistayahan namin before sa Tapos Sound, pumunta kami ng Vietnamese restaurant pero wala talaga silang bun bue at yun yung hinahanap ko, guys. And since malapit naman yung lugar namin sa Springvale kung saan meron silang masarap na bun bue talaga, guys. Kaya doon kami pupunta ngayon since it's still 4 o'clock and hopefully they are still open. Si Baby Paris pala ay binihisan ko. Anak, show your face here, nak, be. Binihisan ko siya dito sa sasakyan kasi sobrang dumi na ng damit niya sa paglalaro niya kanina. Kaya ayan. Come here. Come here na. Hello, very messy dyan sa likod. Oh. Anyways, we're gonna make a move now, guys. Kasi baka mag-close na yun sila. See? Hi!
Hi, I'm Felix.
What's that?
So pencils.
Suot niya kanina. Sobrang dumi, guys.
Lady Mama.
Come on.
Yes. Bye-bye.
No,
I'll go with Daddy. This way.
no one did
Eh, Josh, cute mo na. Kaya mong
I wanna
baby
come with
girl.
Daddy, please.
Yeah, this way. Come with Daddy that way. Can I come with Daddy, please?
Come with Daddy, please.
Daddy's on the other side. Ala, nagbaylo mo. Daddy. Tingnan niyo, oh. Sige, go with Daddy.
No, bring my
Here,
sticker.
Daddy is here.
I want to bring my sticker.
Okay, Mama will get your sticker.
I want to.
Mama will bring one sticker, okay? Ayan, magdadala kami ng sticker para makakain kami ni Daddy Mike. Alright guys, see you soon. Springvale Central. Okay. This way. This way, let's go. Ayan guys. I need to go here.
Paris.
Wow, go in. Wow.
Front, please.
Oh my god guys, sobrang tagal na hindi ako nakapunta dito.
Thank you, Tito.
It's been like long time.
Thank you.
Very excited. Yeah, Tara, sit down. So you can play with the stickers. Ay, Josh! Feel like that.
Like
Yay! Yeah, Paris will play with the stickers. Tapos ako guys, alam ko na.
Unicorn.
Saan ba dito din, babe?
Can we do this one also?
Ayan na, bonboy. Thank you. Ayan, BBH. Spicy noodle soup. Ay, hindi ko maintindihan. Ayan. This is unicorn, see? Unicorn. Okay, where's mommy's phone? Here, here's the phone. Have a look.
Like this, look.
There you go. See the little girl. Oh. You put it here. Maybe you can tear it off. Like here.
And you hold it like this.
Meron na silang nilabas na ganito guys. Tapos, ayan, chili.
We get one bumbu. Yes. And one. I'll grab the chicken noodle soup. Chicken.
The favorite or the chicken bread?
The which is that one?
Just chicken bread and then
Okay, yeah. I'll just grab
Meron
the chicken bread.
silang tea. Oh, this is tea.
Do you want a drink?
No.
And I'll have just a coconut.
Ito pala yung ano daw, Vietnamese na donut. Tinanong niya kami kung gusto na yung mag-try. Oh, tapos kasi walang sugar. There's no sugar daddy, that's why Paris is not interested.
There is sugar.
Sugar is inside now. Try it. Try. Bite.
Like this. Ready? Guys.
Wow, there you go. So this is the bamboe guys. And all that. Ay, careful na.
Thank you. Let me ask.
Hi again friends! Just an update. It is now, I think, nearly 6 o'clock ng gabi. And, nakauwi na pala kami, hindi ba obvious? Ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog siya guys. Ngayon ay si Daddy Mike, ayan, naglalaro ng kanyang PS4 ulit. Tingnan nyo ang ating Christmas tree ay kumukuti-kutitap na kasi, I don't know guys, just makes me very happy pag nakikita ko yung Christmas tree. And, tingnan nyo kung anong meron tayo dito. Buko pie. So, nung Thursday, binili ko to siya. I don't know if napakita ko sa vlog, guys. Binili ko siya from, ang tawag ito, online ba, dito sa Melbourne. Tapos, ito, oh, ayan, yan pa yung nakain ko. Kasi dapat, nadalhin ko to nung Friday, nung umalis kami. Pero nakalimutan ko, guys. Kasama nung mga damit ko na pantulog, nakalimutan ko. Kaya, yeah, it's fine naman kasi hindi naman ito madaling masira talaga kasi nasa fridge naman. So, ayan. Snack muna tayo. Buko pie. Ayan. So, kain muna ako guys. And then, hinihintay ko lang si Paris na magising before I bring everything in. Nasa sasakyan pala siya ngayon pero nandiyan lang siya sa harapan. O, nakikita namin siya. Maginaw kasi sa sasakyan guys kasi nilagay ko yung air conditioner kaya maganda yung tulog niya. hahayaan ko na lang muna, guys. Alam nyo, guys, pangalawang bili ko na pala to sa kanila. At nagmahal sila this time kasi nagmahal daw yung niyog. Kaya before, yung ganito kalaki, it was $25. Naging 30 na siya. $30. Tapos, kasi ito lang yung in-order ko, yung delivery nila ngayon ay $10. So, all in all, $40 yung binayaran ko para sa bukumpay na ito. Sobrang mahal ang bukumpay na ito, ha? Pero, worth it naman talaga, guys, kasi sobrang sarap niya. Kita ba? Oh, sobrang sarap niya. Gising na ang ating prinsesa, guys. Princess! You waken up?
Okay.
So, tita and tito here. Tignan nyo ang kanyang mga stickers na binili namin kanina sa Kmart.
They're good.
Oh, diba? Sobrang dami. Are you happy? Also guys, nandun kami kanina sa Springvale. Bumili ako ng crab. Yes, guys. Kasi, I am craving, guys. Para sa ginataang alimango ba? Ayan, oh. Apat sila. Alimango. Now, what's this na? Crab. Snap. Apat sila, guys, for 1 kilo. 1 kilo, 23 Australian dollars. Ayan. So, ilalagay natin sa freezer kasi this week ko na yan siya lulutuin. Hindi kami magluluto na tonight kasi kumain na kami ng Vietnamese soup, diba? So, ngayon ay relax lang kami. Home sweet home, honey. How was your holiday, Daddy? Perfect? Not long enough? Was good enough?
It was long enough.
You're talking about something else.
Crab, mommy.
It's a crab, honey.
Snap.
Snap. Yung gagawin ko ngayon, guys, ay magtutupi ng mga damit kasi dami pang kailangan tupiin. And then, we'll get ready for tomorrow kasi work na naman, Monday. Guys, i-end na natin yung vlog dito. Maraming salamat for watching today's video. Maraming salamat sa always na panonood ng ating mga vlogs. And sa mga bago nating subscribers, welcome sa ating channel. And I really hope na nai-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And now, I'm just going to do a quick shout out, guys. And the first shout out goes to Rinar Mayrica Huerta, Bingbeng de Venecia, Revelyn Lagitin, Biling Chua, Joyce Traya, Emmeline Himao, Gail, Claudine's Kitchen, Claudine Reed, Brio Sobue, Lelani Gilin, Aroma T, Janet Poe, LV Montealegre, Hannah Sarumines, Rosel Flor, and Zel Mesiasto. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
This one is movie, Mom.
don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
It's movie.
be careful. Say be careful. And then close. Be careful, guys. Bye. Mwah.